Jai Hind students, this is our second chapter of history for class 10th, and this is the first video lecture. Our chapter is Nationalism in India. We all know very well that India was colonized of British Empire, and there was a huge struggle was happening in India against the British rule. Some areas, some peoples wanted to get freedom from Britishers by a violence way, but some oftenly wanted to get it in non-violence way. So at that time there were so many streams are started for the nationalism views in India, and everyone were playing his role for get freedom against British's rule. But these feelings were somewhere compressed. It's only because that in India's society there is a large variety of variations. First and second one, few peoples wanted that British rule stay here much more as for their benefits, because they think that they will get much more advantage in the British rule as they are supportive for the Britishers. So now we are coming on our chapter Nationalism in India. As you have seen, modern nationalism in Europe come to be associated with the formation of nation state. It also means a change in a pupil understanding of who they were and what uh, defined their identity and sense of the belonging. New symbols and icons, new songs and ideas, forget new links and redefines the boundaries of communities. It most In most countries, the making of the new national identities was a long process. How did this consciousness emerged in India? So we all know that nationalism thought arise in Europe, and the whole Europe started to fight for the nation as to make it nation state, and a republican system is oftenly liked at that time. So the effect of European struggle was also happen in India. India was also get influenced because the impact of the Russia, impact of the Germany, impact of the France also come in the contact of Indians, as we also have to make a nation state, a unified common identity, because A nation can't get freedom if the citizens of that nation have no any common identity. So a thought of nationalism spread in idea of Indians by all these revolutions which happened in Europe, and that was the time when every nation want to become free, as there is everyone is trying to get freedom from the colonization whichever nations were colonized at that time.